Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today we're at Fuji Speedway. We're doing the Toyota experience and we're renting out this Toyota Yaris GR and we're gonna take it on the track. So this is the lineup of all the cars that are gonna be on the track with us. I got this one because everything else was booked up. I really wanted the Tom Supra, but like I said, everything kind of books up really fast. So if you wanna do this experience, make sure you plan ahead of time. I planned maybe like a day ahead and I booked it and reserved whatever they had. So I got lucky with this Yaris GR. We don't have these in America, so it's gonna be a good experience to take it on the track and have some fun. Let's walk around and check out the cars.
This is the Yaris GR that I rented. I'm super excited to try this one because we don't have it available in America. The green Supra is the most modified car you can rent here. It has the Tom's kit, which comes with a lot of options that you probably already noticed. On the exterior of the car, you can see that they changed the bumper, the front lip, fenders, side skirts, door vents, wheels, rear bumper, and spoiler. It's all made out of dry carbon. It also has a Tom's titanium exhaust. I'm not sure on the specific power output of the car, but this thing looks beefy. It's the most powerful car to rent here at Fuji Speedway Experience. If you have the opportunity to rent it, definitely do it. To be honest, I didn't plan on doing this track experience. I heard about it when I was staying at the Fuji Speedway Hotel. The concierge at the hotel helped me book the experience. It was so affordable that I couldn't say no. Here's a list of all the cars that they rent out at the track. I would recommend being proactive on planning to ensure you can drive the car you want. You could book this experience online through the World of Hyatt, Fuji Speedway Hotel. I kinda wish I did this sooner so I can book the Tom Supra, but it's okay. My friend Carol got to experience it. Fuji Speedway is far off from the usual Japan tourist locations. You can get here with public transport. I rented an economy Yaris from Nippon Rental Car to drive here. I want to mention that if you have your own car, you can drive it on Fuji Speedway. Again, you can actually take your own rental car and drive it on the track. It costs about $20 to do this, and you'll be in the same guided track lineup as I am in this video. With that being said, just know that other people will be on the track with their personal cars. You are allowed to have passengers in the car as well as children. It can be a family fun experience. I was really surprised on how much car activities there are to do around Mount Fuji. If you'd like to see more, check out my Japan playlist of videos. I try to make things really informative, but if there's a specific thing that you want to see me cover, comment below.
Take a look. Hey, it's Mike. It's our buddy Mike. Sweet. New Zealand friends. So he's gonna be on the track with us. That's awesome.
Ooh, GT4 RS or GT4.
GT3 RS. That's what I want to be driving. But a Yaris GR is fine too. Especially here in Fuji Speedway, this is awesome. In the front we have the pace car, it's a GR86. In the back we have a Tom Supra wide body with a couple of mods, I guess.
The speed limit in the pit lane is 60 kilometers per hour.
60 or 16? Yeah. Put up our windows. Usually in tracks in America, you can't put your windows up. You have to leave them down, but it's a little bit different here. So it's gonna be a slow lap just because everyone has to get kind of like used to it, acclimated to driving their cars and also driving on a track. Lucky for us, it's not our first time on the track, but it is our first time on a track here in Japan, so it's gonna be fun. And this is my first time driving right-hand drive on a track, so that's cool too. Good experience. All right, so we'll stay on the right-hand side until the solid line breaks up, and then we'll signal left.
The right.
This is where we can go kind of flat out in this area.
Move over to the left.
As much as we can for this pace car. I can feel that this car has a lot more power than the other one. There we go.
Head toward the curb on the left. Pull on the right. While steering back, carefully accelerate.
how was my experience? It was great. I got to follow the pace car, so it was a lot quicker than following being in the back. Honestly, I probably would have had a little bit more of a different experience if I was in the back, because I would probably give myself a gap. So
The road ahead is narrow. Please drive at a safe speed.
so I could, mess around, but I want to stay safe and, listen to all the rules here. No overtaking, don't do anything crazy and stupid, so I can come back here and do it again. And next time I do this, I want to do this in a different car. I want to do it in a crazier car. So this experience was 1000% worth it. I would definitely do this again.
For anyone who stuck around this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for the next Japan video.